All right, I'm gonna be the first to admit, guys. See, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm shooting on the Canon G7X that my daughter lent me, and I'm trying to figure out these settings. I connected it to my phone. I connected this external mic. I can't stop staring at this top screen. I don't know what the settings mean. I try to hit auto, full auto, but I don't know how the mic sounds. I don't know anything about this camera, so I think I'm going back to my phone and I'm gonna study this R7X. But until then, this is how I'm starting Vlogmas 12. I might start my new year using a new camera. Who knows? I might set this one up and it can be my studio vlog camera. How about that? The Canon G7X. That's what it is. I think I'm going with it. Happy Vlogmas number 12. So yeah, it's obvious. I don't know what I'm doing with this Canon, this G7X. This is it. I put that external mic on there and this phone rig, and I don't know. I'm learning it. I'm trying to learn it. But I've spent the last few hours messing with that camera, messing with the settings, messing with the ISO, the shutter speed. I had to give myself a break. So I'm back on my phone. Shit, I wasted a few hours messing with this camera and now I'm back on my phone. Oh well, it is what it is. But so tomorrow we got a busy day. I procrastinated. I have been procrastinating again. See, tomorrow we have a white elephant party at my sister's house and I haven't even gotten the gifts. I was supposed to do that today. Took Anna out to dinner. It was just her and I. Michelle's actually with her sister at a Christmas dinner for her sister's work. They do it every year and the girls get together and go do that. So that's where she's at. So Anna and I went and had dinner, and now Anna and her mom are gone. They went and got dessert. And I was like, I got to work on this. I got to work on a video. So that's what I'm doing. But so today's topic, I want to actually talk about the elephant in the room. Yeah, I think the elephant in the room is the white elephant game itself. You see, we've been doing this white elephant game for years on my in-law side, which is Michelle's side of the family. We've been doing it for years and we have fun, what have you. And my side of the family has recently implemented it into the holiday season. So with that being said, it seems like every year on both sides, somebody complains about the price range or about the limit, the price limit on the gifts. Now, for those of you who don't know, the white elephant game at Christmas is you take a gift at a set amount. Let's say, okay, so for this party I'm going to tomorrow, the set amount is $20. So as long as your gift is valued at $20, then you're fine. That's you put it into the gift exchange and then you start playing the game. So where the complaints come in is some people will stop at, let's say, the dollar store, and they'll buy 20 $1 items that like 20 pencils for 20 pencils. Let's just say if they're a dollar each. So really, who wants 20 pencils? Who wants 20 items from the dollar store? Yes, it's a thought that counts, but if part of it has to do with procrastinating, like me. So tomorrow, on my way to the party, I'm going to stop and try to find some $20 gifts. But it's stuff we would want to buy back. A lot of the decorations we have here are from White Elephant games that we've played in the past. One of my wind chimes is from the White Elephant games. So I like to buy stuff that I'm going to steal back. Cast iron, wind chimes, flashlights, lights, camera gear, anything like that. So I'll buy that stuff kind of knowing nobody else is into that so I can steal it back. Other people will show up with good items, like some people will show up with the $20 worth of scratch tickets. Now, if you win the big one on that, now come on, that's going to be worth more than the flashlight that I bought. So the game does get fun. It gets interesting once everybody starts stealing. The complaining, and that's the procrastinators. Like I said, if I show up with a crappy gift, now if I stop at the last minute and buy a crappy gift, kind of feel guilty. You can buy liquor. Some people buy liquor. They always show up with liquor bottles, $20 bottles. Now, that's not a bad deal. It's a really fun time. Some of the more common things that people take to these white elephant gifts are like the throw blankets, candle sets, dish sets like coffee cup sets, lottery tickets like scratch tickets. Still buy scratch tickets. $20 worth of scratch tickets. Liquor bottles. People show up with $20 liquor bottles. Some of the things I like to buy are, of course, tool sets, camera gear, lights, flashlights, any kind of camp gear. What else? Wind chimes. I like wind chimes. And that's about it. Now, the gifts I don't like are the last minute gifts, the procrastinator gifts, like what I might be getting tomorrow. Because, see, there's no thought in that. They just go and see something that's worth $20. And for the most part, you can stop at your fuel station or gas station and find a $20 item and take it, but it doesn't mean anything. It's maybe a beanie and I don't know. I don't know. But I try not to do that. Like I said, I try to buy gifts that I want to steal back. Michelle, she does the same thing. So it's a fun game. Like I said, if you don't know what it is, look it up. That's what we're playing tomorrow at my sister's house. And that was the elephant in the room I wanted to talk about, because some people complain about the gifts they receive, but because of the gifts they take. So if you're going to go to a white elephant this year, or if you're invited to a white elephant, keep that in mind. Buy something that you would want to steal back, or that you want, but don't want to really spend the money on it. You know, like those as seen on TV aisles, you see some like those heating blankets or the weighted blankets. You're like, oh, that I'd really like that, but I'm not buying that. Now's the time to buy it. Then you put it in the white elephant and you steal it back. You might end up with something cooler than that blanket you wanted, that weighted blanket, the beanie set. Who knows? But I got stuff on the 3D printer, which I might give away as door prizes, even though it's at my sister's house. I'm rambling on, and with that being said, that's Vlogmas number 12 in the books. Got my I can get you on the naughty list shirt on. I'm gonna finish up with this 3D printing for tonight. Wait for Michelle and practice on this G7X, on this Canon G7X. I really think I should set it up as a camera up in here in my studio. Make that my studio camera. See how it looks in the edit, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.